Hi, my name is Erin Fowler and I'm a Tantra practitioner, a feminine movement and choir facilitator, and also a professional dancer and artist. And I've been working with Chantel for the last 7 years, and more recently have been part of the team to deliver this practitioner training after having gone through the training myself. Before I started working with Chantel, some of my main challenges were in setting boundaries. I was definitely a real people pleaser, and I felt quite unfulfilled in my romantic relationships and really struggled in some of my work relationships as well. And what this training and this work with Chantel has done for me is that it's really helped me access my voice and to work through any of the barriers or limiting beliefs that I had around speaking up. It's really given me the confidence to understand myself in relationship and to ask for what I need without attachment of the outcome. And that has been life-changing, both in my relationships. I'm in a really beautiful relationship now, and also in my work life, with my family and with my friends. I wanted to do this practitioner training because I couldn't help but want to share what I was learning in my life with the people around me. And so stepping into the path of being a practitioner is one that I was very apprehensive to do and felt very not ready. And I'm so grateful for Chantel's love and support for me to take that step and really dive into this training. What this training does is it weaves together a whole range of modalities from ancient tantric philosophy to more modern practices around the soma, the body, trauma in the body. And what I love about Chantel's teaching is that she really finds a way to distill these varied teachings and philosophies and practices into quite simple concepts. So you get in this training a lot of really practical tools to have in your kit, but also what it really asks you to do is to feel in deeper into your capacity to just be with what is. And I find that every time I have a client, often the way my brain works is I like to know what I'm doing. I like to know the practices. And then at its core, it's like, can I just be with this human here? And it's such an honor to sit with them, to hold space for them. And so many clients say, thank you so much for just allowing me to be where I am, rather than this need to fix, which so many therapies, psychotherapies in this world are trying to do. We're trying to fix people. And actually, what I've learned through this training and through my own experience as a practitioner is that we need people on the planet that can just be in these challenging times, that we can hold space for one another. And I'm incredibly grateful that I have the opportunity to do that. This training over the course of 12 months really holds you in deep support on the path of living as a practitioner, not just with your clients, but in your everyday life, to be on this path of service, on this path of grace. And the impact that it has in your personal life, as well as in your capacity as a practitioner, is profound. So I wholeheartedly recommend this training. I'm so grateful that I've had the opportunity to really embody so many of the teachings, and I wish you well on your journey of exploration and discovery in becoming a practitioner.